Silicon Valley Power is a municipal utility for the city of Santa Clara. We serve all the who's who in high tech, folks like NVIDIA, Intel, Vantage. It makes it a very, very unique environment. We're experiencing a lot of challenges, making sure that we have the right talent in the right places. Also within the city, we have so much development that's happened over the last several years, and I'm thinking about how I'm getting that meter data back, not just for billing, but how do I use that for my grid planning, for my distribution loops, my transmission that I'm going to need later on. We have a projection that just keeps going up. We first commissioned our advanced metering program about 2007. We took several years to really evaluate a lot of products. And by 2011, we implemented EnergyIP. The real big focus was being able to get that meter data to come back very reliably over the air, not have to send people out. When the EnergyIP SaaS product came available, we looked at it and it really just made a lot of sense, being able to take our high talented resources and focus them on utility high priority items and let the processes that could be automated within Siemens happen that way. Between that and not having to worry about the hardware upgrades and timing that just right was huge. We were able to really develop a trust for what Siemens was offering, putting our trusted on-premise platform into the cloud and still being able to have that data secure in transit as well as secure at rest. We expect to see roughly an 85% man resource reduction. A lot of that is in the user interface. Very few clicks, get a lot of data. You can action on it very quickly. Also, we're looking at hardware reduction. It looks like it's going to roughly be $100,000 a year through our first 5 years. A lot of utilities don't like to move forward if it ain't broke. Don't fix it. But we had our executive staff sit down and watch a day in the life of our existing platform and take a look at what the new platform is capable of. Being able to see those tangible improvements really made that conversation much easier to have, and they could see why this was the right time to make this kind of a move. You know, salespeople are really great at selling a product, but what makes it more of a partnership is that long-term commitment. And the service organization has been really great to come in and help us adapt to really take us to where we need to be so we can be compliant but also deliver what we need to for the customers. We see nothing but a huge increase in demand over the next 10 years. We have a lot of really cool forward-looking projects, and as civil servants we get to give that back to the community too. It's really great and everyone is really excited about it.